I graduated from St. Joe's University in 2008, and I became a financial advisor right out of college. And that same year, I was diagnosed with Crohn's disease. So after being on a vicious cycle of being sick and stressed constantly, I realized that I had to change my priorities and really focus on my own health so that I could be the best version of myself, both at the office and to my friends and colleagues as well. So that was when I hired a nutritionist to change my lifestyle and change my diet to become my best whole self. When I hired the nutritionist, she had me go gluten-free, which was great, and I changed a lot of the ways that I was eating. However, she didn't really tell me how to do it. So I had this busy lifestyle as a financial advisor. I was going out for client dinners and events. So I had to learn how to marry both my healthy lifestyle with my current lifestyle seamlessly. And it was then that I had this aha moment that I could do this for others because I completely understand what it's like to have a busy lifestyle. I know how to integrate health and wellness seamlessly. So I knew that it was my mission to do this for others so that they could feel as healthy as I started to. I've also created online programs for those who are really short on time and can't work with me one-on-one. So they're able to go online, sign up for a virtual program, which will provide them with a daily email for anywhere between 7 and 30 days to keep them on track to creating a healthy lifestyle, but at their own pace. And this is truly effective for those who just need a little bit of fine-tuning for their lifestyle and need suggestions on recipes and groceries and kind of thinking outside the box without the true commitment of 1 hour a week with coaching. And it has been super successful, and it has truly transformed the lives of clients because they're able to follow along and use their own empowerment to become healthy. When I started on my health journey, I realized that it wasn't just for myself, but for my future family and all of my dreams that I wanted to achieve later on. So just like it was with advising, and I encourage people to save now for a better future, I had to invest in my health earlier so that I would have a better future. And now that I'm pregnant, it is a true testament that putting in the work 5 years ago truly paid off. Because if I waited until now to start getting my health in check, it may have been too late, and this whole pregnancy process would have been a lot more difficult, especially since I have IBD. In 2017, 11 million people died globally because of a bad diet, and that's more than the cause of death from tobacco. So I realized that if we're focusing so much on limiting such toxins such as tobacco and other carcinogens in our lives, it's really important that we focus on our health as well. And women in particular focus on drinking diet soda, and that's actually more detrimental to our health than drinking the regular soda. And they found in a study that women actually died of heart disease at a higher rate than men because of the amount of diet soda that they drank. The reason that we can't lose weight, or the reason why we're feeling sluggish, is because we're not eating food that's real food. So I like to focus my diet on just the healthiest products and produce and clean, healthy proteins as well, because I feel like that is the proper fuel that we should have in our bodies, and it's never going to go out of style. It's not just a fad. And by doing this, I know that I'm creating a healthy environment both inside my body as well as outside, and that I don't have to worry about counting calories or reading labels. It's clean, it is straightforward, and it's easy, which is the most important thing when creating a healthy lifestyle. The one thing that I know sets me apart from others is, one, that I took my own lifestyle that was, honestly, my health was in the gutter by having a chronic illness, and I reached remission. I reached my highest point of health and wellness by integrating this on my own. So anything that I talk about, I know that it could be done successfully. Secondly, having a corporate background, I fully understand what it's like to have a busy lifestyle. which is so important because one of the biggest excuses for people to not get healthy is lack of time. So if I could figure out how to integrate it into my busy schedule, I know that it works for certain with others and their busy schedule, and they are always on the path to success in that way. My overall goal is to help others live the lifestyle that they have always dreamed of and deserve, because after all of these years of going through being sick and being stressed and not happy, I'm finally living the life that I've always wanted and that I feel like I deserve. So that's what I want to do to help others as well.